Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. Tonight's live is going to be an unboxing of sorts. There's been a lot going on. Leadership wrapped up a few days ago, and our new spring catalog released this morning. So there's a lot of new designs, a lot of new products, a lot of changes, and lots of goodness coming down the road. And I wanted to just take a little bit of time and introduce you to some of the new products. This happens to be the color of the month. It's called Bijoux, which I think in French means kissed by sunlight. And for the first time, the color of the month is two colors, sun and sky. And they're not paste, they're ink. And they are color changing ink. How do you like that? When they're exposed to the sunlight, the chemicals or whatever in the ink is activated by ultraviolet light. And whereas they go on and they look kind of white, once they're exposed to ultraviolet light, they will turn the color at the top of these little packets. So the sky is kind of like a sky blue, and the sun is a nice bright yellow. So those are our color of the month. And instead of coming in a little jar, they come in the little packets. This is basically you get 4 packets, 2 of sun, 2 of sky, and it is a little bit more pricey of a composition than our normal pastes and inks, hence why they come in the little packets instead of the 3-ounce jars. But these promise to be lots of fun. I just need to find a way of doing a live probably earlier in the day where I could get some sunlight and actually show you how they change colors, because I'm sorry, I am not running out in these frigid temps wearing a t-shirt or carrying something I've used these on so that you can see the color change. I'd love to do it, but it's too dang cold yet. So anyway, this is our color of the month. It's color changing inks in sun and sky. Our Valentine's sale just launched. All you need for Valentine's Day at 50% off. So check it out. While you're looking at the Valentine's stuff, you think about you can earn free paste. Look at these beautiful colors. This is Dear Diary. This kind of tan, a little pinky, I'm not quite sure, a little almost skin tone. And this purple is called Sincerely Yours. So Dear Diary and Sincerely Yours can be yours with a $125 purchase. So you're getting, full 3-ounce jars of paste, and the only way they are available is when you make a $125 purchase. And yes, if you make more than $125 purchase, you can get both of them for each purchase, if that makes any sense. Now, on to one of the most exciting things with this release is we have new frames. And you move this over here. Appropriately enough, they're called Out of the Box. And this is our new frame. One side is whitewashed, the other is natural wood. And the thing that makes them so cool is they're out of the box. The actual insert comes out of the frame. So you can actually work on it out of the frame so it's flat. So anytime that you're getting close up to the corners or you're worried, take it out of the frame and lay it flat and work on it. Or you can paint the frame without the insert in it so you don't have to worry about taping it off or anything. And it comes with the whitewash and the natural color, but you can also buy an insert that one side is our boutique black chalkboard. The other is white. And these are available, or actually either one of them are available as inserts, which means this is the 9 by 12 inch frame. You could purchase this frame that comes with the whitewashed and natural wood insert, and then you could pick up the boutique surfaces, or you could purchase more of these, which means you could create a design on here, and well, this is wood, so you can't erase from the wood, but you could create a design on our boutique surface, and instead of washing it off and using it again, just buy another insert, and they're easy to store. You could actually probably store these even in a file cabinet. They might be a little bit too big, 9 by 12 instead of 8.5 by 11, a little too large for a file cabinet, but basically you could have multiple designs and just reuse the frame all the time. So it's called Out of the Box. Isn't this just the coolest thing and such a great idea? Saves you money, saves you space. I'm so excited about those. And they're going to come in all of our sizes. So they will also be available in the 5 by 5 and the 5 by 7 and the 12 by 18, and I think 5 by 12 and 6 by 18. Any questions, just drop me a comment and ask away, and if I don't know the answer, I will get the information for you. So, color of the month, new surfaces. Let me show you February's Club Couture. Now, the other day I used these are the good old days to make a photo memory type of thing on our 12 by 18 inch 8-in board with Club Couture. Let me give you a little sneak of what February's is going to be. February's Club Couture is called Cowgirl Boots. And you have a boot, you have the pattern for the boot, for the side of the boot, you have some little designs, and then a bunch of flowers, a little bouquet and individual flowers. And it comes with this coordinating chalkable shape that matches the boot exactly, so you can make it three-dimensional if you want. So this is February's Club Couture. How cool is that, right? If you'd like information about Club, comment Club below and I will send you the link. In keeping with the Valentine theme, remember Valentine items are 50% off right now. Here is the flower XOXO and the little chalkable shapes to coordinate with it. These come in a pack of 10, so you get 5 O's and 5 X's. This is a cute little project, if you if you will. But remember that they're 50%, and all the Valentine stuff is 50% off right now while supplies last. So you might want to check that out. I was really looking forward to these. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to use them, but I just can't wait to actually do them. This is called Love Potions, and they're basically perfume bottles, or atomizers, if you will, with coordinating chalkable shapes. Isn't this adorable? Really, really excited about this. And I think I'm going to do them on the chalkable shapes and then put them maybe on a 6 by 18 inch frame. I don't know. Just an idea there. And then, how is this for a 9 by 12 inch transfer? I woke up like this. That could be bad, that could be good, I suppose. It depends on how you're feeling and what you look like when you wake up in the morning. I think this might be an interesting sign, but I think it would be an even more interesting t-shirt or shirt. Here's another 9 by 12. This is Together We Have, it's called Bloom and Grow. And the wording is Together We Have the Good Life, and then Bloom and Grow. And there are no cut lines here. So you can cut them out or you could leave them whole when you work on them. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you if you want to. However you want to do it. If you wanted to just lay it down and take these 3 tulips and use them as part of your design without cutting them apart, you can do that. Or you can cut them apart. It really depends on whichever way you like to work or whatever's easiest for you. And then here's one of our favorites, and unfortunately, I think it is actually sold out already, but it will be back shortly. It is just so cute, so absolutely adorable. This is called Fur Baby. And it's just filled with these adorable images of cats and dogs, along with some really sweet wording. I love my spoiled, hungry, meow, precious, boy, little, girl, big, sweet, happy, fluffy, fur baby, feed me, messy. They're just absolutely so, so sweet. I think these would look nice on a sign. They might look nice on a t-shirt. I think they would be adorable on a mug. So I think you can use them in a lot of different ways, or actually maybe do a mat for your little fur baby and use this with ink. Be a nice little, a little mat for your fur baby's dishes to go on, possibly. Okay, check this out. Howdy, hello, hey, and welcome. These are our huge chalkable shapes, and they correspond with this 12 by 18 inch transfer that really, you can't miss seeing these signs. This would go great on our 16-inch round for a door sign, or even on maybe our 6 by 18s or our 5 by 12s. Kind of fun and a little casual here. But I love the idea that they come with the corresponding, or that you could get them, you could add on the corresponding chalkable shapes. And then here I have God is Good. This is another 12 by 18 inch transfer. This one comes with the cut lines. And we have God is Good all the time, y'all, and Let Go and Let God. Great for signs, great for tees. I could think of a lot of different ways to use this, so I'm kind of anxious to get moving on that. Well, that's my quick little unboxing for tonight. Tomorrow I'm hoping to show you the new Perks packs that are available in January. They're a way to become a designer for $59. They're $59 for the tool in the Perks pack, and then you get a $50 credit for product so that you could add on whatever appeals to you. And there's two different Perks pack. One is specifically tailored for ink. The other one is specific for paste. So just something to look forward to. If you have any questions about becoming a designer, just comment team, and I will send you to a link that tells you all about it. Of course, no obligation whatsoever. Thank you for sharing a bit of your evening with me tonight. I really, truly appreciate it. I'll see you soon.